Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. Let's first focus on some areas of support, and the ideal level of support going forward. If you say, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest would be if the price can stay up above $1.90. You can see on a couple different instances today, the bears did try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. And if the price can continue to do that going forward, like I said, that would be the best sign of power. Now, in the event the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. And the main reason for that, so let's take a step back and look at things from a big picture perspective, is the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher and look something like that. If you're thinking, hey, that looks like a trend line, exactly, and that's why I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't feel like drawing trend lines, you can let that quote-unquote trend line draw itself for you. But point being, from the grand scope of things perspective, as long as the price stays above that trend line, then the overall trend is up, right? And that's what truly bullish moves do. And that is exactly why I love charts, because when you look at them certain ways, they really do kind of insult your intelligence. So again, yeah, it'd be great if the price can stay up above $1.90, but looking at things from the grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, as the purple line moves higher and higher, then the bulls are 100% in control. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, whenever the bulls got right up there around essentially the 235 mark, just could not quite get any sort of remaining momentum. Yes, one time the price actually did break above it, but that didn't last very long. And then the other times the price got right up around that area, it was directly rejected. So 235 apparently is where the sellers are currently hanging out at. So that'll be a key level of resistance going forward. Anyway, I look at it though, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of whether or not the bulls can build upon this momentum in the long term. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.